Okay, under chart data, I've moved it now. Again, we're going to add, because we're going to add the sprint this time. So under name, you put sprint. Again, X values. Highlight the time data for the sprint. Under Y values, highlight the distance value for the sprint. And then click OK. Again, this is a linear graph. So we're going to click on a data point, go to Chart, add Trend Line. Again, under Type, we want linear. Options, we want the intercept to be 0. Okay, so we have now finished that. We're going to add a title, distance versus time, Y versus X always. Go to the horizontal axis, click here to add. We're going to put time in seconds. And then from the pull-down menu under Chart Options, again, vertical axis, we're going to put distance. And that was in meters. Okay, so we have appropriately labeled our first chart. Then I want you to click on it, go to the top, go to Chart, move Chart into a new sheet, and we'll call that linear data, and click on OK. And if you've noticed, that gives us a full page for the 4 graphs that we did before. Now we go back to our data sheet by clicking on the sheet in the bottom, and we are going to graph our acceleration data, which are the last 2 columns. So highlight it, click on the data points for the X, Y scatter plot. And if you notice, this is parabolic. Click on a data point. We're going to go back to Chart, add Trend Line. Now be careful this time. Under Type, what you want is a second order polynomial. If you notice, that matches the graph fairly well. We'll click on Options, set intercept equal to 0, and OK. Now we have to add a title. So on the formatting palette, go to Chart Title. And again, this is distance versus time. On the horizontal axis, click here, time in seconds. The vertical axis is distance in meters. Okay. And I guess we could edit the chart data, and under name, put acceleration, and click OK. Click on the graph, and then we're going to do Chart, move Chart, and to a new sheet, we'll call it acceleration graph, and click on OK. Okay, then what I want you to do is go to File, Save, File, Save As, sorry. And you're going to type in your name, Speed Lab, and then save it to your computer. At this point, I want you to email it to me. You know my email address, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks very much.